Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at how to use the main sheet along with the traveler to adjust your mainsail for good balance, speed, power, and performance. Adjust the main sheet car so it's centered along the traveler track as shown. This will give you good power and performance in moderate wind speeds where the boat has a slight amount of heel and weather helm. Sight up the leech of your mainsail and make sure that the upper battens stay about parallel to the boom. In extreme light winds, you might try pulling the main sheet car just a couple of holes along the traveler to windward. Next, you want to sight up the leech of the mainsail again, ease the main sheet as necessary so that the uppermost battens stay about parallel to the boom. This technique often results in good speed and acceleration in extreme light winds. As the breeze builds and weather helm increases, you will want to open the slot and depower the boat, push the main sheet car down the traveler track to leeward a few holes, and then test the helm for balance. If you find that you still have excessive weather helm and heeling, continue to push the main sheet car down the traveler track to leeward along with reefing the mainsail and reducing headsail to help provide good balance and control in heavy winds. Use these easy sailing tips to give you good power, speed, and performance for sailing or cruising. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.